Come test drive the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, advanced technology package, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, security system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.